he's gonna get out the handcuffs without a key. We'll do the other one. What? Do it behind your back. You weren't looking at it. Give me a put them on. Give me put them on. Let us know when you're all ready. All right, here we go. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, alright. I'm gonna turn back around. Well, not, yeah, let me walk, yeah. Let's see, you do it now. Work the magic. What? That's what I'm talking about. Now it took a little longer. Is that you had more concentration because you had to think about it more because it was behind your back, or? What? It's awesome. See if any of y'all can do that.